is the magic tea for you to lose weight at home in your own kitchen or your own house, wherever you are in this whole entire world. But I'm telling you, this recipe is a recipe which right now I know thousands of people been using the recipe, and all I've been hearing, thank you so much, Chef Ricardo. All right, someone right now lose 1 stone of about what, 1 month now since they start to drink it. But drinking the tea, you have to eat very healthy also. You can't just drink the tea and expect it going to work just like that. You have to eat healthy, no fatty food, no chocolate, you know what I mean, no fizzy juice and all these things. Eat healthy, no cooking oil, no coconut oil and all these things. Eat healthy. I don't know you guys like the recipe, so please stay tuned. Follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. And this is a recipe which work for you in your own kitchen or your own house at home. Guys, enjoy the recipe. I just boiled my kettle and I'm going to be showing you how you can make this amazing tea. I did a similar video like this back in the days, but you know we always upgrade. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as I say, I did quite a few videos similar, but they're all different, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna just give you right back straight into details with this beautiful drink right here. So basically what we're going to do now is get 1 lemon, cut it half. Don't worry your mind about the seed or anything, just squeeze it straight inside of the cup like this. Alright, I have another half which I'm already cut. I'm just gonna simply squeeze it straight inside of the cup like this. That is lovely. And also what I'm going to do is simple. Cut off a few pieces of the skin of the lemon. And just put it straight inside of the cup like this. Apple cider vinegar. Let's give it a lovely shake. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, you know what I mean, very good to get one. If you, basically I say I can put a link in the description box where you can go and get the apple cider vinegar to buy at a very low price. Let's put a teaspoon of it inside of the cup. And right here I have some cayenne pepper. We're just gonna put a pinch of it inside of it, guys. Very hot, so you have to be careful. And also we're gonna just put roughly about half teaspoon of honey, not much. Hot water. Hot water. You might just say, Chef Ricardo, when is the best time to drink this? The best time to drink this, guys, is in the morning. Before your breakfast. Or at night, before you go to your bed, you have this one. It's amazing drink. A lot of people been using it. It's best time to drink it is in the morning and at night before you go to your bed. This works really well. This works